Question number 12. In a right-angled triangle, b squared is equals to c squared minus a squared. That's b squared is equals to c squared minus a squared, where b is the length of the shortest side. Find the length b of the shortest side when a is 8, c is 10. And for part B, A is 12, C is 13. So we want to use that formula to sub in the values A and C and work out the length of the shortest side. The shortest side is B. And it says round your answers to 1 decimal place. So you can have a go at that, and then you can pause it and try it, and then you can come back and look at how I have done it. So for part A, we write the formula b squared equals to c squared minus a squared. Sub in the value for c. C is 10. So we put 10 squared. Minus a is 8. We put 8 squared. And 10 squared is 10 times 10 is 100. 8 squared is 8 times 8 is 64. And 100 take away 64 is 36. 36, square root of 36, that means what number do you multiply by itself to get 36? 6 times 6 is 36. So square root of 36 is 6. And that's your answer for part A. For part B, write down the formula first, and then you substitute in the numbers. C is 13 from the question, 13. A is 12, so you sub in the value for A, which is 12. And you work out, evaluate 13 squared is 169, 13 times 13. 12 squared is 12 times 12, which is 144. You should know that for your 12 times table. And then 169 take away 144, it gives you 25. You want to find out what number do you multiply by itself to get 25. 5 times 5 will give you 25. Or square root of 25 is 5. That's your answer for part B. For part C, write the formula down first as usual. Sub in the values. 6.4 for C and 4.7 for A. In your calculator, 6.4 squared is 6.4 times 6.4. Or you can use the squared button in your calculator. That gives you 40.96. 4.7 squared is 22.09. You subtract them, you get 18.87. Square root, put that sign on your calculator. You usually have to press the shift button on your calculator, and then you get the square root. And then you put square root of 18.87, it gives you 4.3 to 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. Now, the last one, part D. Write the equation as normal and sub in, write the formula and sub in the numbers. 11.5 for C and 9.6 for A. So 132.25 is 11.5 squared, and 92.16 is 9.6 squared. And subtract them, it gives you 40.09. From there, use the square root button in your calculator, and you get 6.3 to 1 decimal place.